In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect headphones to Pro Tools. Now to do this, first you want to plug them into your audio interface or computer's headphone jack, okay? So whenever you've done this, what you want to do, you want to launch Pro Tools and you want to go to Setup up top and you want to click on Playback Engine. Inside the Playback Engine here, you want to go to Output Device and you want to click on over here, and of course you'll be able to select your headphones on the list, okay? So you want to select them, click on them. I'm going to pretend like this is my, of course, headphones over here. I'm going to click on it and it's going to prompt you to basically refresh everything. So just hit OK and it's going to refresh, okay? That's the first thing you have to do when you've selected your headphones. Then you have to also configure your I/O settings. So input and output, you want to go to the setup up top and click on I/O. Here you want to go to output, and in case, of course, they're not selected, the easiest way to do this would be to just delete whatever's here by clicking delete path and then delete, and you can just click on default. And if you have selected your headphones as the default inside playback, as we were in earlier, you can then go ahead and see that it's going to be mimicked over here, and you can hit OK, and now you should be able to basically use your headphones because they are successfully connected, okay? Just make sure when you are recording or doing whatever here in your tracks that as the output, you actually have your correct one selected, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.